Windows search not searching or indexing PDF files can be a significant issue. And if you're having the same issue, you can follow these troubleshooting steps we have in this video. Now what you can try to do first is to restart the Windows search service. Launch command prompt with admin rights. Enter the following commands one by one. And check if the Windows search can index and retrieve PDF files. You can also use the built-in search and indexing troubleshooter. Just navigate to Settings, go to System, select Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooter, then locate and run the search and indexing troubleshooter. Next, try to rebuild the search index by searching indexing in your computer. Click on it, select Advanced option, click on the Index Settings tab, click Troubleshooting section, and select the Rebuild option. Now if the issue persists, try to clean boot your computer. Do it by typing msconfig, select System Configuration, click Services tab, select Hide all Microsoft services, then hit the Disable option. Once done, click on the Startup tab, select Open Task Manager, select the startup items you want to disable, and hit the Disable option. Then exit Task Manager and restart your computer. And those are the ways in fixing the Windows search issue in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.